guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shagufta, and today I'm gonna show you winter makeup. If you're office and college going, this makeup tutorial is best for you. So first starting with like I have already applied glycerine on my skin, a drop of glycerine, like literally a drop. So guys, to avoid any dryness, I'm using here Biotique Bio Aloe Vera SPF 30 sunscreen. I'm using here Pond's Baby. And guys, I'm going to add in this coconut oil. Yes. Yes. I know it's concealer brush. I'm just using. I have my foundation here. Don't forget neck area. Just simply pushing into my skin. Oh. So guys, before starting your makeup, apply this lip balm. I'm using here Himalaya lip balm. You can use your favorite lip balm. And I'm using here Fit Me concealer. It's the best concealer. Okay, hide my tiny dark circle. So our concealing part is done, and I'm using here Maybelline compact. तो बस थोड़ा सा to set concealer. ये concealer बहुत जल्दी clean होता है, चाहे winter हो या summer. And next I'm using Cheeky Glow Blush, जिसका ये सब कुछ हट चुका है, मैंने इसे इतना use किया है. Gives like blushy effect. So that I'm using this lipstick jaquline cream stick. The shade is Standard. I'm using this one. And I'm using this on my lips. Added a little bit orange pop lipstick in the center. Last, I'm applying this the false pushup drama mascara. So guys, here's my daily makeup winter routine. So जिसमें मैंने ना brows किया है, brows को ना उनको lightly like ऐसे comb कर सकते हो, बस बहुत ही simple है. मैंने बहुत थोड़े से products use किए हैं, क्योंकि in morning I can understand कि इतनी जल्दी में कुछ भी नहीं हो पाता. So guys, I will link all my social media handle in the description box. You can check it out. And until next time, till then, take care.